will learn how to make an Arduino door lock. It's too much simple. For this, we will need some jumper wires, one 404 Arduino keypad, one servo, and one Arduino. I'm using here Arduino Uno. If you want, then you can also use Arduino Mega. So let's make it. Connect keypad with Arduino. First pin of the keypad will go to the second pin of Arduino, second pin to the third pin to the fourth pin to the fifth pin to the ninth pin, sixth pin to the sixth pin, seventh pin to the seventh pin, and eighth pin to the eighth pin of Arduino. Let's connect it. Okay, we have connected it. Now we will put servo with it. Servo has 3 pins. The yellow one is the signal pin, the red one is the positive pin, and the brown one is negative pin. The signal pin will go to the 11 pin of the Arduino. The red one, the positive pin, will go to the Arduino's plus 5 watt, and the brown one, the negative one, will go to the Arduino ground. So let's connect it. So let's connect the servo with it. Okay, we are done with it. Now we will program it. You can get this code from the link given below in the description. You can check it and also can download the zip from here. I've copied it. Then I will change the password from here. You can add any password you want of 3 digits. I will enter 321. Then we will go to the sketch and go to include library. Then add the library. Then we will go to where we have saved the library. And then we will open it. I've already added, so I don't want to add it again. Then we will directly upload it. It is uploaded. Now we will check that it is working or not. So let's check it. As you can see, I have set the password 321. Now we will enter the password 321 and the servo will move. It means that the door is unlocked now. Then we will enter star or hash to lock it again. You can see it moves again. It means the door is locked now. We will try it by entering the wrong password. Nothing will happen to it. Now I will finalize it.